Today, everyone talks about artificial intelligence and its incredible capabilities. But what exactly is AI, how does it function, and is it really going to take over the world? Artificial intelligence or AI is technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human intelligence and problem-solving capabilities. But let's go back to where it all began. In 1950, Alan Turing, an English mathematician, published a groundbreaking paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence. The paper starts with the provocative question, can machines think? In that paper, Turing proposed a test, now known as the Turing test, to determine whether computers could be smart enough to be mistaken for human. In this test, a judge interacts with both a human and computer program hidden from view. If judge cannot reliably tell which is which, the computer has succeeded. It demonstrated human-like intelligence. Fast forward a few years, Arthur Samuels, an IBM employee, introduced the term machine learning, taking discussions on AI to a whole new level. What is machine learning? Machine learning involves developing algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform a specific task, machine learning models are trained using large amounts of data to recognize patterns and make predictions or decisions based on the new data. But how do we train these large models? There are two main approaches: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning is labor-intensive but more precise. In this approach, computers learn from labeled data provided by humans. For example, in spam email detections, we show the computer large sets of emails labeled as spam or not spam. The model learns from this data and can then predict whether new emails are spam or not. On the other hand, we have unsupervised learning. That involves no output labels to guide in the learning process. Instead, the model tries to find patterns, structures, and relationships in the data. This approach is often used for tasks like clustering, association, and dimensionality reduction. For example, Amazon might use unsupervised learning to segment customers into different groups based on their purchasing behavior, tailoring marketing strategies for each group. How do AI models actually think? AI models think in a way inspired by the human brain. Neural networks, the backbone of many AI models, are collections of artificial neurons that transforms information. These networks have three main layers: the input layer, hidden layers, and output layer. The input layer receives the initial data, such as pixel values of image, features of a dataset, or sequences of the text. This layer passes the data to the next layer without any significant transformation. Then comes the hidden layers. Hidden layers transform the input into more abstract and useful representations, enabling the network to capture and learn complex patterns and relationships in the data. Each neuron in the hidden layer receives input from all neurons in the previous layer. These inputs are weighted, summed, and then passed through the activation function. After the hidden layer, finally it reaches the output layer. The output layer generates the final predictions after processing the data through the hidden layers. During training, the predicted results are compared to the true results, and the weights and biases are updated to minimize the gap between the correct and the predicted results. But can we actually train these models infinitely? Training these models infinitely sounds unlikely with this current technology. However, we still don't know the maximum capacity of these models. Every year, AI models get bigger and more sophisticated. For instance, one of the most advanced models, like GPT-4, uses over 200 billion parameters. Although the exact number is not disclosed, this gives an idea of the model's complexity. However, training AI models is energy intensive. As models grow larger, their energy consumption increases, leading to significant carbon footprint. The infrastructure required to train these models cannot grow indefinitely due to physical and environmental limitations. There are some really cool AI projects happening right now. For example, OpenAI's DALL-E can create stunning images from textual description, pushing the boundaries of creativity and visual arts. This technology can assist the artists and designers, making creative processes faster and more accessible. Another example is Google's DeepMind. For example, Google's DeepMind is working on AlphaFold, which predicts 3D protein structures with remarkable accuracy, potentially revolutionizing the field of biology and medicine. This breakthrough could lead to fast drug discovery, better understanding of disease, and the development of new treatments. Another cool project is self-driving vehicles, like those developed by Tesla and Waymo, aims to make self-driving cars a reality. These vehicles promise to reduce traffic accidents caused by human error, lower emissions through optimized driving, and provide mobility solutions for those unable to drive. It is clear that AI is revolutionary, but a lot of people are still scared of it. One of the most debated and intriguing topics about AI is whether it will eventually overtake humans. While AI has made impressive strides in various fields, the notion of AI surpassing human intelligence and taking over the world remains speculative and complex. AI excels on specific tasks like data analysis, pattern recognition, and even creative endeavors. For instance, AI can compose music, write articles, and even generate realistic images. However, these achievements are within the narrow confines of specific tasks or domains. AI lacks the general intelligence, emotional depth, creativity, and consciousness that humans possess. The humans have the ability to think abstractly, understand nuanced emotions, and make ethical decisions, which AI currently cannot replicate. Moreover, AI operates with parameters set by its human creator. It requires extensive data, computational power, and predefined algorithms to function. The idea of AI developing its own goals or motivations independently of human, for now, is concept of science fiction. But we still have to treat this subject carefully. Misusing AI technologies could be detrimental for the human race, but so is any other technology that is such powerful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content.